10 dermaroller rules that you need to know if you're using dermaroller or if you're planning to use dermaroller for any skin issues like acne scars, firming your skin, hyperpigmentation, getting rid of some sort of like uneven skin texture, skin tone, stretch marks, improving hair growth. Yes, if you're losing hair, you can do that. There's multiple ways and reasons why and how to use dermaroller, but here's like this. I sat down, I took time, I wrote down 10 dermaroller rules because I want to help you guys. I want you actually to know how to properly use dermaroller so you can have the best results. Rule number 1, know how to use it. Before doing anything, before buying dermaroller, make sure you watch some videos and you know how to use it. If you don't know, just in case, I have like probably close to 1,000 videos on YouTube how to use dermaroller. I'm gonna put playlist right here or somewhere right here in the corner. Check out this playlist. I have detail. Nobody else in the world, nobody on YouTube have more dermarolling videos than I do. I'm an expert in that. So make sure you learn before anything else, right? Know the size you need to get for your skin issue. So for example, always people asking me, Jen, what size do I start with? What size do I need? What size? There are so many sizes. On my website, I have 0.25, 0.5, 0.75, and one for the face. 2.5, I'm gonna put table right here. 2.5 is for serum absorption. It's kind of like just a little bit making your skin glowy, you know, plump hair and stuff like that. 0.5 0.5 is actually for wrinkles. So really firms your skin. Is anti-aging, is the best selling actually product. Do I have it right here? Let's say, okay, this is 1 millimeter dermaroller. 0.5 for wrinkles, 0.75 for really deep wrinkles. You can already start using that on the stretch marks, body firming, some acne scars, and 1 millimeter. This is strong. Extreme wrinkles, extreme sagginess, and extreme acne scars. Again, I'm gonna put table somewhere here in the corner, description down below, how and what size you should use, and make sure that you know what size you need. Table down there. All right. I highly recommend, number 3, highly recommend to use real individual needle dermaroller. That's mean dermaroller that has needles in it, not this dermaroller. This dermaroller has wheels in it. These are not needles. They shouldn't be called dermarollers because it does not have needles in it. It's just fake knife-shaped blades that can destroy and damage your skin. I have done this video with the microscope. I'm gonna put right here that this tears your skin, can leave scars, you can bleed, you can have a lot of pain, healing is long, you probably don't get results like you will do with this dermaroller. Make sure you're using real dermaroller. I offer real dermaroller. You don't have to buy mine, you find another supplier wherever, another seller, but I'm just saying I'm offering real individual needle dermaroller and I own the trademark of that. Be consistent. Consistency is the key. Here is my client.
Hey guys, it's Nicole. I just wanted to share with you what I've been using on my stomach for my stretch marks and my scars and wrinkles. I've had 4 kids over the past 11 years, so I'm working with a lot of years of damage. This is Jen Amber Beauty's Dermaroller, and I've been using it for the past 8 months. It is amazing. It does not damage your skin. It helps to tighten and firm, kind of get everything back in place, and it has been working for me. Real needles, so no damage. I love it. It is amazing. I'm going to continue to buy her products. Thank you, Jen Amber.
Nicole, she was using dermaroller for 8 months and here that she got this result for her stretch marks. How incredible this is. She got results because she was consistent. She got the real dermaroller. She is happy now. She feels great. She is confident. She just feels overall so much better than before. Make sure you are consistent. One time using dermaroller is not gonna change much. Same like going to the gym just once in your lifetime is not gonna make you feel firm, have six-pack and lean and stuff like this. Make sure you know what to use together with DERMAROLLER. Now, you can use DERMAROLLER without anything, no serums, no creams, you dermaroll and that's it, go to sleep. That's fine. If you wanna improve your dermarolling routine, improve the plumpness, anti-aging, just feel really, really great, like maximize, use something non-toxic and non-irritating. I do offer 3 serums, organic, natural serums. Vitamin C with sodium ascorbyl phosphate, very safe, anti-aging, brightening together with DERMAROLLER. Oh my God. Peptide serum, firming and really, really keeping the firmness really, really in place together with DERMAROLLER. 10 out of 10, nothing can beat that. By the way, if you did this treatment in the salon, an esthetician, let's say office, you will pay probably like at least minimum $250. At home, you can have for 3 times cheaper. And actually can have fun. I love having fun. Last night I dermarolled. Look at this, my skin today. No filter, no makeup, only tinted SPF, nothing else. You can see I don't have makeup. Advanced hyaluronic serum, plumping, hydrating your skin. You wanna use this after microneedling all the time because that's hydrating your skin like crazy. You wanna make sure your products that you're using together after microneedling are really safe, non-irritating, as natural as possible, like organic, no synthetic fragrance, no synthetic shit. Make sure you are investing in the product, not only in DERMAROLLER. Okay, hydrate your skin the next day. This video, after this video, next video is gonna be how to hydrate your skin after microneedling when your skin gets dry. Your skin gets dry because it's evaporating, right? Losing moisture. That's totally normal. Don't freak out. I have a cream from, this is from La Roche-Posay. I believe I pronounced correctly. I don't know. La Roche-Posay? Whatever. So this is Lipicar Balm Intense Repair Moisturizing Cream. This is amazing after microneedling to use for another like 3-4 days. Hydrates your skin like crazy. You wanna get this. Link is down below. Always, always, always disinfect your DERMAROLLER. This is how you do. I'm gonna be launching natural, organic, and really, really great disinfection foam product. I'm gonna talk about that once I launch, but this is DERMAROLLER. This is how I do. I apply some pump, like few pumps into DERMAROLLER. I let it sit. This disinfect better than alcohol and it's actually safer than alcohol. More information is coming. I'm excited. Make sure you stay hydrated internally, not only externally, internally. This means you drink bunch of water, right? Bunch of water. Juices, juice at home. Juices hydrates you. Not only water hydrates you. Soups can hydrate you. Juices can hydrate you. Teas that's not diuretic, that does not remove moisture from your body. Tea can be hydrating. Here, collagen peptide shake can be very, 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 very hydrating. There are a lot of things. Eating vegetables, salads, cucumbers, tomatoes, anything that has a lot of like juiciness in it hydrates you from inside. Make sure you are hydrating yourself from inside as well. SPF, number 9 SPF. You need SPF at all times. Winter, summer, morning, night, inside, outside, you need SPF. A good quality SPF. Good quality SPF is at least SPF 30 and mineral sunscreen. And with the good quality ingredients, always read labels. And now the most important part, probably start slow. Rule number 10, start slow with the smallest size possible. For example, if you have wrinkles, you wanna jump to 1.5 millimeter DERMAROLLER, then you don't get results. Sometimes you do it too often, too much, too big size, you stress out your skin, and you text me, because in my experience, I see what my clients do. Jen, I don't know what happened. I have a red skin, very dry. I don't know what's going on. I think your DERMAROLLER destroyed my skin. Well, if you have never tried weightlifting and you went to the gym for the first time and you started lifting with 50 pounds, what's going to happen? You're gonna be hell sore next day, right? you might gonna tear some muscle, inflammation or something like this can happen, right? So why would you start with the biggest size of dermaroller? Why? You think bigger, faster is better? No, not with microneedling. Compare microneedling tool to the lifting weight. Start with the smallest size. Introduce to your skin, it is a needle product. It is puncturing and causing small damage to your skin in order to repair and send those beautiful repairing cells so you can have a collagen and elastin production in your skin, right? AKA glowy, natural, beautiful skin. So start slowly. 0.25, use for a couple of months. 0.5, use for a couple of months. 0.75, use for a couple of months. Then go to 1 millimeter. Start slowly all the time. Please subscribe, click the red button to subscribe. That helps me a lot. If you have any questions, leave me down below. I love you guys, and I see you in my next video. How to hydrate your skin after microneedling. Love you.